G'day Scott, what trial did we just conclude?
So today we're here out at Wardell, and we've just concluded our final trial in application of Sudlac LD to the roofs of the greenhouses, as you can see behind me.
Why do we need to apply Eclipse LD?
So we need to apply this shading product during the hotter months to cool the greenhouses down to protect the plants inside. So talking to the growers, typically they can have up to 40% plant loss if it gets too hot. By doing this, utilising this product in a timely manner and utilising the lower rates that we're able to achieve today, we're looking to increase that and in the end increase the yield for the farmer.
So we're looking at 4 or 5 applications over the growing season in greenhouse cropping. How easy is that for you to apply?
Oh, it's very easy. We've done numerous tests and trials now when we've really fine-tuned the process. So it's just a matter of when the weather suits and the farmer wants it. Ideally low wind conditions like we've had this morning, which has been fantastic. We can apply, well, one tunnel that we did, we applied in about 10-15 minutes.
Oh, that sounds great, Scott. How long does the product technically last on the roofs?
It's dependent on rainfall. So if we're getting upwards of 100-200 mil of rainfall during this season, we're looking maybe a month, 2 months. Sudlac hasn't overly been used in Australia before. It's probably a newer product with Ace Olsen and Elders Rural, but the technical specifications are looking really good. And as you can see, the drone's absolutely covered in it, and it's very hard to get off. So
how do we wash it off the roof, Scott?
So at the end of the season, so we're probably looking around March, we apply a product called Top Clear, which is a dissolvent from Sudlac. And it's basically, we apply it just before rain. So we run over, it dissolves the remaining Sudlac that's on the roof, and the rain just washes it off into the water system.
Okay, can you just go into any more detail about what we just applied and how long it roughly took to treat one 2,000 square metre shade tunnel?
Definitely. So probably I'll just start off with the setup of our drone today. Like I said, we've done numerous trials. Today we applied the Sudlac with a T-Jet 01 fines flat fan nozzle, 110 degree. We're running 2 bar of pressure, and we utilised the Sudlac rates, but sort of reduced it down to our drone application rates. So what we were trying to achieve is, instead of applying high volumes and just letting it run off, we're actually trying to spray paint this product on. And from what we witnessed while the drone was going overhead, that's exactly what we achieved today with, I believe, 30% coverage, which is what our target was today, in one pass. So 2,000 square metre tunnel, 15 minutes.
How happy were the growers?
Oh, extremely happy. They were just over the moon. They can't wait to see it in full operation.
So one of the growers mentioned an example about how many tonnes and kilos they used to buy to cover 6 hectares of protected cropping. How much saving are we looking at overall per application, Scott?
So over the 6 hectares, I think I've worked it out before, was 1.2 tonne of product. We're looking at doing this in 240 kilos. So it's a massive saving. The product, Sudlac, is a little bit more expensive per drum, but the cost savings across the season are very large for this farmer's operation.
You've got an excellent product there, Scott. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.